everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Chargebee and Slack. So the use case here is, whenever a new subscription is created in Chargebee, we want Slack to auto send the messages. Let us first know what these two software applications are about. So Chargebee is a subscription management system, whereas Slack is an online messaging tool. So the problem here is that Chargebee and Slack don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect, a third-party application software, to integrate these both. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this with an example on my screen.
Okay, so here I am at Google, and now what I'm going to do is I'll go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. So this is the website of Pabbly, and from here I'm going to Pabbly Connect. So now I'll sign in. So now, because I've already signed in, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free in just 2 minutes. Here, I had like to mention one more thing. Pabbly Connect offers a free plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. Okay, so now I'll go down, and now here at Pabbly Connect, I am going to click Access Now. Okay, so here this is the Pabbly Connect dashboard, and from here I am going to create a new workflow. So I'm going to name it as Chargebee to Slack. Okay. So now this is the trigger dialog box over here, trigger when this happens. So you can add the action steps by clicking on this plus button over here. So now we have to integrate Chargebee with Slack, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect to help us. So first we are going to integrate Chargebee with Pabbly Connect, and then we'll integrate Pabbly Connect with Slack. So first I am going to select Chargebee over here. So the choose method that I want is new subscription over here, because I want, as soon as there is a new Chargebee subscription, I want Slack to auto send the messages. That is why I am going to choose new subscription. You can select the other method as well. And if you want a new method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com. So now I am going to select connect with Chargebee. So here credentials, you don't have to worry. Here API key, so you can read the instructions, enter your API key and leave password field blank. To get the API key, log into your Chargebee account, go to API keys and webhooks. So let us go to Chargebee, and here settings, I'll go to configure Chargebee, and now I'm going to go down. Okay, API keys and webhooks, so we'll go to API keys. So here let us generate a new API key. So I'll select full access key. I'll name it as Chargebee to Slack. Okay. So I'm going to copy this key from here. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and paste it. So password, as the instruction said, password field has to be left blank. So I'll leave it. Now site name, enter your Chargebee site name. For example, Pabbly will be your site name from the Chargebee URL. So I'll go to Chargebee. So I am going to select this Pabbly Connect test from here. Okay, I'll go and I'll paste it. So I'm going to save this. So now I'm going to save and send test request. Okay, so now I'm not getting any response because I don't have any subscription in Chargebee. So let us go to Chargebee and create a new subscription. Okay, so let us name, so I'm going to name it as Ria Matthew. Okay, email riamatthew@gmail.com. Phone is not required, all this is not required. Plan name, let me select it as Grow. Okay, so now rest you can just leave blank. Create subscription. Okay, confirm. So I have created a new subscription for Ria Matthew. Let's go to Pabbly Connect and save and send test request again. So you can see now it has captured the data. So we'll just check Ria Matthew. This was the subscription that we created. Okay, so we have finished our first step over here. We have integrated Chargebee with Pabbly Connect. Now our second step is to integrate Pabbly Connect with Slack. Okay, so we have finished our first step, that was to integrate Chargebee with Pabbly Connect. Now we'll integrate Slack with Pabbly Connect. So for my second step, I'm going to click on this plus button and I'm going to select Slack over here. Okay, so in choose method, I want to send a message without an image. So I'm going to select this one. You can select whichever method you want. And again, if you don't get the method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com. So I'm going to connect with Slack. So connect with Slack. You don't have to worry about your data. It is 100% safe and secure. So I'll click on OK. You can see we have got all this information over here. So now this channel is a channel that you have created in your Slack. So whichever channel you want the message to go to, you can select that one. So here I have all these channels: app integration, general, Pabbly demo, random. I want my message to come at this Pabbly demo. So I'll go to my Pabbly Connect and here I am going to select Pabbly demo. Okay, so message type, let it be plain text message. So let us create a message. So I'm going to create it as hello. Now we'll map the name over here. Okay. Thanks for subscribing Chargebee. Okay, so I have created my message. Bot name, bot icon, you don't have to worry. So I'll save and send test request. Okay, so you can see we have got the API response. That means we have successfully integrated Chargebee with Slack. So I'm going to save this. Let's go to Slack and see if a message is there or not. So I'll go to Slack. You can see, hello Ria Matthew, thanks for subscribing Chargebee. That means we have successfully integrated Chargebee with Slack. Now let me show you this again with one more example so that you can understand this process in real time. Okay, so I'll go to Chargebee and I'm going to create a new subscription. Okay, create subscription. Let me create Amster Rego. Email is regoamster@gmail.com. Let me select a new plan this time, scale. Okay, so now I'm going to create the subscription. Confirm. Okay, so we have created this subscription of Amster Rego. Let's go to Slack and see if it has got the message or not. So I'll go to Slack. Okay, so we have got the message from Amster Rego. So what would have happened? First, the information would have come from Chargebee to Pabbly Connect, and then the information would have gone from Pabbly Connect to Slack. So now every time there will be a new Chargebee subscription, Slack will automatically have a message over here.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using our Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our team will help you to automate your workflows. You can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.